The two things you'll need for pairing are your device and your pairing code. You can find your pairing code on the welcome postcard that comes with your Elements panels, on the back of the Elements controller, and on the back of the power supply. Before you begin, make sure your panels and controller are plugged in and that you're on a non-5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Nanoleaf app and tap on Devices or My Devices. Tap the plus to add a device. From the list that appears, select Elements. Next, tap Start Pairing. On an iOS device, the camera will automatically open to capture your pairing code. There are 3 ways to pair your Elements panels to your device: scanning the QR code, tapping with NFC, or entering your pairing code manually. To pair with NFC Tap, make sure NFC is enabled on your device, and then tap it to your Elements controller. Once you've successfully scanned, tapped, or entered your code, your device will be paired to your Elements panels and you'll be able to enjoy all the customization that the app has to offer.